So I see this all the time and it's hurting your short game big time, and we're gonna work on it right now. Let's go. Okay, first things first, go to a nice chipping area. Chip it in that little barrel right there from here, okay? And we're gonna work on our hand path because so many people actually come over the top when they're chipping, and it's gonna kill you. It's really gonna hurt your game. So here's a little drill. It's gonna help you fix that. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider doing that now. Let's rock. So for this little drill, I'm just gonna use my 54 degree SM7 Vokey Wedge, 8 degrees of bounce, M grind, in case you're wondering. Here's what I usually see. So did you see that? Like I took it back and I kind of came over like this. Like that. It's not a horrible shot, but it's really gonna hurt you because you're gonna shank some. If you get a little shank going on with that, it's because you just a little bit of coming over the top. I mean, all you have to do is come over the top by like that much, and you're shanking it. And you hit that low, chunky little dude. Nobody likes that. So here's a cool drill to help fix it. Get your alignment stick right there, okay? Just like that, I don't know, whatever degree that is, it's kind of right there, okay? It's just gonna help me enough to get the right feel. I just put my ball in front of it by like that much. I'm just gonna hit little chips. Just make sure I stay underneath the stick. Can you see the difference already? Hands are tight on my body. I'm using my rotation method, using the balance properly. Everything's way better. There it is, just a little hand path drill to polish up your chipping game. And if you're coming over the top or you're really having a tough time, you're digging too deep in the ground, this will really help. It will also help your full swing because you'll start getting that feeling of coming underneath and shallowing out the club face. So give it a shot, let me know how you like it. Please hit the like, the share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get those hands working correctly on your short game. See you next time.